my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Forget how my hair looks, like don't judge me for it. However, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Hannah, and today's video, I've got no makeup on as well, and today's video is an exciting one. You guys, it's been like one of my most requested videos ever. Now this is going to come in two parts. It's going to be part one, which is going to be me rearranging my room, doing my new setup, getting my setup ready, recording it, getting everything like perfect, and then part two will be me showing you my makeup collection, or the collection that I have so far. So it's going to be a long process. Now my IKEA drawers haven't arrived yet. I've got like a bookshelf which will be for all my skincare. Would you rather me do like an all-in-one video, even though it'd be a bit long? I was thinking maybe to do like this video and then do like a makeup video where I show you my makeup collection, and then I do like a skincare collection, because I know you guys, I know there's some of you that love my makeup, and I know there's some of you that love my skincare. I ordered like a, you know, that I've got the Alex 9, which is what you're sitting on right now. I've also purchased the Alex 5 with a tabletop and 2 peg legs, and a bookshelf which is quite tall, a bit taller than me, which will be for my skincare. And yeah, I'm going to set that up when it comes. I'm going to record the process on a time lapse, hopefully for you guys. So yeah, this is just a little intro. If you are new here, thank you for joining. Sorry I look crazy, I don't normally look like this. But yeah, I'm just going to show you around my room in a minute. It's a bit of a mess because nothing has been done yet. Like there's like, I have a Labrador, so dog hairs get everywhere, so I had to like clean up the dog hairs. My bed has got no like, oh, my bed is just a mess. It's got tons of shit on it. Yeah, so that's just everything, all of my like PR boxes and whatnot. So yeah, I'm going to show you around my room. Okay, so far my room looks like an absolute tip. Like my bed is here. I've got like my drawers, which are my clothing drawers, and I have my TV on top. But right now this is carrying everything. I need to repaint these walls. Like I'm the worst person for it, and I just chip my walls all the time. But yeah, I've just got all of my like brushes there. I've got like 2 drawers that I need to like declutter. I've got my PR boxes, more PR stuff, hair. This is the bed, like how my bed's gonna go, and my tables. I don't really care too much about the space here. Like I'm not really too bothered by it, but forget that. That's like what I've swept up. Hopefully you can't see my address, but yeah, this is where my filming setup's gonna be. I am the worst person. I scratched my bed base. Right, anyways, that doesn't matter. I need to repaint this wall a bit, but I'm thinking I might not need to, because like my bookshelf and Alex drawers are going to go here. Here are my Alex drawers, which are where my makeup is. And then, but yeah, this is where I thought originally my setup was going to be here, but I've decided that it's going to be here now. Do you like my sliders, by the way? I got gifted them from New Look. Anyway, so yeah, like my setup's going to go here. If it needs to be painted, then it needs to be painted. Why is there a sock there? I'm the worst human being. Okay guys, so don't watch my hair. I'm currently getting the drawers started. I'm going to show you in a second. My partner's just fixing up the last things before we move on to the bookshelf, which is right there. So yeah. Okay, so he's just getting the not bookshelf, the drawers all ready. We've done most of them. It didn't take too long. We had a bit of a struggle because IKEA's instructions are a little bit weird, but yeah, we're just getting that all sorted. I was supposed to go to an event today, but I couldn't be bothered. Wanted to do this, wanted to get the room ready for you guys. So yeah, those neon, like, oh, those neon sliders are everything. Sorry, I had to do that. So I'm currently doing the bookshelf. It is going so far so good. We're nearly finished, and then everything will be up and running. That's all got to go away. But yeah, so far we've got all of that done as well. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Okay, so we are just about finished. I'm just going to put the pegs on and then put the table up, and then yeah, I think so far is looking pretty decent. I'm happy with it all. The bookshelf is perfect for what I wanted, so I'm very excited. Okay, so currently this is the setup of how everything is looking. Let me try and fit around. Excuse that foundation mark. This is the setup we have going on. The table is magnificent. I'm in love with it. We have this, obviously my usual Alex drawer, my little Huda Beauty stuff, my bookshelf, skincare stuff, which I'll be putting up in a minute. I was going to do a time lapse. I look an absolute mess, don't judge me. I was going to do a time lapse where I showed you like all of that, and don't get me wrong, these video clips make out like I've done nothing. I have done quite a lot of building, not as much as my partner, like he's better with the screws and that, but I did do a bit of stuff. Well, we did half half and half, maybe 60-40. But yeah. Yeah, I might do a time lapse where I put all my skincare stuff away, but nothing's promised. If I don't, I'll just show you the afterwards. I might actually just save it. I might just show you a little after clip and then cut it for my next few videos. So yeah, this is how it's all looking so far. I'm in love with it. Oh, pardon me. I don't know how the lighting is going to look for my videos. I might have to adjust. That's with only the ring light, I should say. So I'm happy so far. I'm going to put up some pictures in a minute that I've got from Poundland, bear in mind, that I've been loving. Can you pass them over? So I picked up these poster things and they're really cute. Like normally you can get them from Desino, don't know. Excuse my ex was really playing up today. I don't want those haters in my comments saying, oh. Anywho, yeah, so I picked up these. How cute are these? So I could be quite a good vlogger, can't I? So it's like your home section. So it's the 8x10 inch posters, a 4-pack. I don't know if you can see, that's what comes in them. Only £1, and I picked up 2 frames. So yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's 2 days later. I finally sort of finished my little setup. I look crazy. I was in Birmingham yesterday doing a shoot. Sorry, my hand is so wobbly. Yeah, I was in Birmingham yesterday doing a shoot. And today I have finally finished. I'm looking at my setup right now. Finally finished it. I'm so excited to show you. I'm going to do a full tour of my skincare stuff and my makeup stuff in 2 different videos. So thumbs up if you want to see that. Let me know in the comments. Also, the skincare cabinet thing shelf thing I have is only my skincare that I use for my videos and stuff. I've got loads more, but obviously I don't want to overbear the shelf and it ends up toppling forward or backwards or wherever. So yeah, I'm going to show you my little setup from my table to my makeup drawers to my skincare, just to give you a little bit of an overview of how everything's looking. It's not 100% finished. I love it. I'm just in love. I might have to change my room around, maybe, just depends on space, but the lighting and all of that looks amazing. So I'm just so excited, for my Instagram videos, my YouTube videos. So yeah, let me show you. Okay, so as we come into the room, I've got my lighting. This is my new table from IKEA. Forget that little box thing there, that's just rubbish. But this is my setup. Oh, I'm in love. Please tell me you guys enjoy it. If I go at another angle, going in for my room, this is one half of my room, my setup. We love a Volvic bottle. But this is how it's all looking. I'm in love. The bookshelves from IKEA. Do you want me to I'll link everything in the bio. Everything will be in the description. So my bookshelf is from IKEA. Those are from IKEA. And if we go in and see the table, I love this size. I just got a lot more space. This is my table. I've got Alex drawers. They're another 5 set. The 3 bottom ones are not full yet. I'm gonna have to sort out my whole makeup collection. All of this needs to be sorted, so I need to repaint some of the walls. But anywho, this is how it's looking from my ring lights, my soft boxes, my table, my chairs from Amazon. I'll try and see if I can link that. The table was, all of this together, I think was £75, excluding the chair. I paid for that years ago. But yeah, it comes with 2 peg legs. It's 5 drawers. This was £100, I think. Can't remember. This bookshelf, people, this is my skincare bookshelf. It has my PR box, some of my PR boxes at the top. This bookshelf, people, if I show you, I'm absolutely in love. You can adjust where you want these, the little bookshelf thingies, but I absolutely love it. I've divided up my drawers into, my shelf bits up into different sections, and I'm hoping it'll look really nice on camera. I got these beautiful posters. These ones are from Desino. I think it's Desino. I've got a little bit of dirt on it. I'll clean it in a minute. That's just me. But these posters here, the best is yet to come. Follow your dreams. And these 2 right here, these are from Desino as well. The giraffe one and the lipstick one. These 2, 4 of these, the ones that are in black and white, are from Primark. Not Primark, Poundland. Can you believe? There were 4 for £1. They're 8x10. You can get, there are loads of different ones. I might do a little Poundland haul soon. But yeah, so up here we've got my Pixie stuff right at the back, and then some just everyday masks and toners. That's just my my drawer that cupboard that I need to put things in. Then this is like all my serums and some of my face masks. Then here we've got my everyday skincare, so the skincare that I would go towards every morning just so it's quicker instead of going outside of my bedroom just to get the other skincare. Then I've got like my daily cleansers that I use. I've got loads in my bathroom still, but just my daily cleansers. And then down here is like my sprays, my setting sprays, all of that. And then down there just a few other PR stuff. But yeah, like my perfumes are up here, another PR set, some lipsticks. Then we go onto my table, and that mirror needs to be cleaned, I know. But yeah, we've got my ring lights right here, my 2 soft boxes. I want to get 2 new ones. I don't know, can someone advise me about lighting? Like, I just want something to light up my background. Maybe now that my background is like this, it'll be a little bit better, because I think all the white, like white really brightens up your background. So maybe this will all lighten up my background, hopefully. I'm hoping that it'll look more appealing with like the posters and whatnot. It just looks a bit more like professional. But yeah, the table space before, I remember my table before used to be about here, so it was really thin. It wasn't thick at all, and I couldn't have a lot on there. It was longer, but it was still too thin for me. But now this one's shorter but thicker. I've got more space. This can be like my editing area. I'm absolutely in love. Hopefully this, I always worry with IKEA furniture because sometimes it scratches off, but I'm hoping this one doesn't. I know you can get the tabletop for like £15, which is not bad. The peg legs, I don't know how much they are, but this all came in a set for £75. I am in love. I got this lovely little book from Collection Makeup sent me this over with their like brow stuff. But yeah, I am in absolute love. Now this thing right here, you guys are probably going to ask me in the comments, what is this? Now I used to have an old tripod that was broken. You probably guys saw this from my videos, but this here is a gooseneck tripod like phone holder, and I'm going to attach it to my ring light. And like this is really adjustable, and because I film on my phone, I can have it like up like this. When I recorded my makeup brushes cleaning video on my Instagram, my second or something like that, one of my videos on there, my makeup brush cleaning video, I used this and I attached it to my radiator and it was perfect. I thought it was going to wobble, but the gooseneck's really hard, like really hard to move, which means it's going to be really sturdy. This was like $7.99 from Amazon. You can get more expensive ones which are probably a bit thicker in the neck and hold a bit better, but this for my phone, there's my hair, this for my phone is going to be perfect. I'm going to let you guys know what my thoughts are. I will link this in the description as well if you guys want. Let me know in the comments if you want me to link everything. But yeah, I'm in absolute love. Also, this bed cover though, I got it ages ago from Primark. It's like I love tropical vibes. But anywho, I'm planning to do a room tour soon, but yeah, I want to split these 2 videos up onto my skincare. I'm hopefully going to do like a declutter video. Would you guys like to see a makeup declutter video? Just let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm in absolute love with my room. Like, I'm so in love with it, I can't even tell you guys. Like, what do you guys think? What are your thoughts on my room? Do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you think I could change? The space is okay. Like, I've got my like ring lights stuff down there and it's hitting my door, but it should be okay. And I'm sorry if you can hear the drilling outside, but let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I'm in love. Please let me know your thoughts. So yeah, like I said, please let me know your thoughts. If you like everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this is highly requested, so I love all of you. Hope you guys take care. Please give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You guys are seeing me raw. This is like my morning face. Anywho, I love all of you guys. I'm gonna have some McDonald's now and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.